We'll guide you through how to create Netlify Functions, which are perfect for adding serverless backend functionality to your web projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Netlify website, then log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your site's dashboard. You need to have a site already deployed on Netlify for this to work. Next, you want to create a folder in your project directory named Netlify, and inside that, create another folder called Functions. This is where your functions will live. Make sure your project is using Git, as this will help with deployment. Now, inside the Functions folder, create a JavaScript file for your function, like hello-world.js. Start by exporting a handler function using module.exports. Your handler function should have the signature async, event, context, equals greater than, and inside the function, you can return a response object with status code and body. For example, you could return a simple JSON message. Once your function is ready, head back to your Netlify dashboard. Go to the site settings and look for the Functions section. Here, you can configure your functions and specify the directory where they are located, which should point to the Netlify/functions folder you created. After setting this up, commit your changes and push them to your Git repository. Netlify will automatically build and deploy the changes, and your function will be available. You can test your function by calling the endpoint that Netlify provides. If you need to access environment variables within your function, you can set those in the Environment section under Site Settings. This way, you can keep sensitive information secure. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.